Alright guys, we got us a G-Wagon today. We're gonna let you guys hear what it sounds like before. That's what it sounds like before. We're gonna put these AMG tips and flow FXs. So it sounds good. It's not crazy loud. We're gonna change that. Here's the sound decibels. Right at 93.1. So as you guys can see, you can't see anything really before. When we do the AMG, it's gonna give it that AMG look. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you see it after we're done. That's a sexy army green 2013 G550 Mercedes-Benz. Made to go anywhere. Look at this beautiful car. That is a beast. Only got 46,000 miles on it, you said? 44. Which is even nicer. Look at these things. Look at that. The design on this thing, it's crazy, man. I love these cars. What we got done on it? Factory converter. Then we took off the stock muffler. We'll show it to you guys in a second. And put some Flowmaster Flow FX there and right there. Then we did some custom pipe work with the custom Y pipes on each side. And there's a Flowmaster Flow FX. There's the part number 71416 for those Flowmaster Flow FXs. There'll be a link in the description. And then there's the Y pipe right after on each side, there and right there. He brought his own custom AMG tips. We installed it for him. Right there, look at that, clean. Now it has the AMG look for the exhaust. And it's gonna sound like the AMGs too. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. But it's on this side, and then also the Flowmaster Flow FX, custom Y pipes, and custom tips on this side, like AMG tips. So stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you hear it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. My satisfaction. Ooh. Ooh. And Juan's satisfaction. How's that feel? Really, really nice. She's party now. Good girl. Yeah, that's how it should sound. You see it tilt? It's breathing now. Look at the whole car tilt, guys. Go ahead. Wow, that sounds phenomenal. OFX is on a G-Wagon. That sounds phenomenal. $104, $106. Again? 106. 106, that's perfect. Again? Wait, guys. That's perfect. Go ahead and back it up. You approve? All right. We got the thumbs up. That sounds like a G-Wagon now. Clean look too. Let you guys hear on the inside. There's the stock mufflers that were on it, if you guys ever wonder what they look like. That's them right there. They come out dual outlet, single inlet. Disgusting mufflers. These sound way better. I know you guys agree that it sounds fantastic and it looks good now. They needed them. G-Wagon for the G's. I gonna do? What am I gonna do, man? What's the point?